Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about two things. How long does a $600 eTransfer take? How to send BTC from Newton. I know that these are two things that a lot of people are interested in, so I'm excited to be able to share some information with you. Before I get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of safety and security when it comes to sending money online. There are a lot of scams out there, so it's important to be aware of the risks and take steps to protect yourself. Now, let's get started with the first question. How long does a $600 eTransfer take? The answer to this question depends on a number of factors, including the type of eTransfer you are using, the bank you are sending the money to, the bank you are receiving the money from. In general, it takes 1 to 2 business days for an eTransfer to be processed. However, it can take longer if the recipient bank is not available or if there are any issues with the transaction. How to send BTC from Newton. Newton is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin BTC. If you want to send BTC from Newton, here are the steps you need to follow. Log into your Newton account. Click on the Send tab. Enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. Enter the amount of BTC you want to send. Click on the Send button. Once the transaction is confirmed, the BTC will be sent to the recipient's wallet. When sending money online, it is important to use a secure website. Be sure to double-check the recipient's address before sending any money. If you are unsure about anything, it is always best to contact the sender or recipient directly. Conclusion: I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.